Connecting Monday.com to Power BI enables you to create powerful visual reports and dashboards from your Monday.com data. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Prepare your Monday.com data. Log into your Monday.com account. Choose the board or data you want to integrate with Power BI. Make sure your data is well organized. Access Monday.com's API. Go to the Monday.com developer section. Use the Monday.com API to generate an API key. This key will allow you to pull data from Monday.com. Open Power BI. Open Power BI desktop on your computer. Click on Get Data in the toolbar and select Web as your data source. Connect Power BI to Monday.com. In the Web connector, enter the Monday.com API endpoint URL. You can find this in the Monday.com developer section. Paste the API key into the authentication field. Click OK to connect. Load and visualize data. Once connected, Power BI will retrieve your Monday.com data. Use Power BI's features to create visual reports and dashboards from this data.